Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Today is October the 12th. Man, we are almost out of October. Just got into October. But anyway, guys, it's fall time. It's a little chilly out here. Got my jacket on, but fall is my favorite season. Love fall. But anyway, we're out here in Beaufort, Georgia. We have a small project today. This is Michelle. Michelle reached out to me about 3 months ago. I did come by and do an in-home consultation. So she wanted to plan this around the time she was getting new furniture and also getting her home painted. So she got the new furniture coming this weekend, and she already had the house painted earlier this week. So we're in here to do the floors. These are those world famous engineered floors that we do all the time. We're going to be doing screen recoat with UV curing. So let me show you what we got going today. All right, guys, we are in Beaufort, Georgia, not far from the Mall of Georgia. And what we're going to be doing today is screen recoat and UV cure on these floors. Now, guys, these floors are not bad, but they do have some wear here and there, and they also got a little wear right here. You can barely see it, but the floors are really not in bad condition, but they are this is a good time to get them recoated. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is just screening the floors down. I'm going to screen it down. Again, the screening just creates a mechanical abrasion, so we get some good adhesion with our finish. So we're going to screen it all down. Now, this table, she said, Courtney, just go around the legs because they couldn't get the table out. So we're not going to move the table. We're just going to go around the legs. This area right here. So basically, it's just a living room with a kitchen, dining room, and then going into the foyer. So what we're gonna do, get this going, then I'm gonna go to one of my supply stores, grab some supplies to add, to the, that we need, and then we'll come back and do the UV.
For Georgia, we pull up clean. Engineered floors looking like a dream. The system made the call, word of mouth supreme. Truman team, yeah, we stay on beam. Screening recool, satin smooth, no dust. Recoat glowing like a diamond in the dusk. UV cure, lock it down, no fuss. Courtney Lee got the finish they trust. We buff and we slide and UV like a light. And jazz horns riding, the Truman pride igniting. Beaufort floors, they gleam and gold. From sister to sister, the story's told. We buff and we slide and UV like a light. And jazz horns riding, the Truman pride igniting. Beaufort floors, they gleam and gold. From sister to sister, the story's told. Sat back, watch the shine reveal. No streaks, no haze, just that real appeal. Complete and smiling, yeah, that's the seal. Truman, Hardwood, that's top tier skill. We buffin', we sliding, UV like a light. And jazz horns riding, that Truman pride igniting. Beaufort floors, they gleam and gold. From sister to sister, the story's told. Smooth jazz keys with the hip hop swing. Recoat poppin' like a diamond ring. From Recoat to Beaufort scenes. Truman name reigns, we kings, we queens. Satin finish, the vibe so pure. Truman Hardwood, the ultimate cure. Beaufort night, the glow endures. UV cured, forever secure.
Yes, ma'am. See there? Yep. All right, guys, we are done. Look at Michelle's floors now. They look amazing. Nice satin finish. And also Michelle just told me, I thought she came from Google. Her sister actually referred me to her. I did her sister's floors 2 years ago. Okay, it was a really nice size job. It was like almost 1,200 square feet and 27 stairs. And she said, no, my sister referred me to you because you did her floors. So what's your sister's name again? Renee. Miss Renee, thank you so much. If you watch my videos, thank you so much for the referral, for referring me to your sister, who has been a pleasant to work with. And yeah, guys, so floors look great. That's going to do it. Tomorrow we have a job in Snellville. It's a screener recoat with no UV cure because she's moving out of the house. And I might have a local ride along with me. And then Friday we have a engineered floor that's really worn in Smyrna, and they're trying to get that house on the market. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.